Welcome to Madihaz Cooking. Today we're going to be making the famous Tik-Tok feta cheese pasta. So let's get started. First I have my pasta. I'm using rotini pasta. Here I have olive oil. I also have cherry tomatoes. I have basil. I have crushed chili flakes, and I have a whole garlic. Fresh is best. I have 2 containers of feta cheese that I'm going to be using. So let's get started. First, we're just going to pour our tomatoes into our baking tray, like this. And then we're going to add. So now that I've added the cherry tomatoes, I'm going to make a space in the middle. And here I have feta cheese. I just got crumbled feta cheese, but you can get like the whole brick. This is just what I had available. So I'm just gonna pour this, all of it, like that. And then we're going to add, so now we have the garlic, and I'm just gonna grab it and I'm gonna put it all over. I am using a whole garlic because I like the taste, and it also makes the flavor better. So here I have basil. I'm just gonna add a few like this. And then on top of it, we're going to add chili flakes, just like this. You don't want to add a lot of salt, or maybe not any salt, because the feta cheese is already really salty. But yeah, here I'm using about a cup of olive oil. You can use any oil, but I just think olive oil is the best. And then you're done. So now we're gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees, and basically you want to cook this until these tomatoes are soft, so we can mush it and it can become a nice paste. So I'm gonna put it in my oven. Now that this is in the oven, I'm just gonna go make my pasta. I got this out of the oven, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mush it all, just like this. You can use a fork. I'm using a spatula. For the harder pieces, like the garlic, you can use a fork instead. That's what I'm gonna do. Just like that. We're just gonna mush everything together until it's nicely combined, just like that. And I'm just gonna mix the feta cheese in with it. Okay, so I'm done mixing now. I'm going to add my pasta. This is 1 pound of pasta, by the way. You don't want to add a lot of pasta because then it gets rid of the flavor. So this is how much I'm adding. Now we're just gonna mix that all in. So we're just gonna mix this until everything is combined. So here we're mixing, and now I have just some fresh basil just for color. I'm gonna add it here and there, just like that. And give that another quick stir really quickly. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.